Hi, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and we've got a really nice Sears Kenmore to show you today. This is a Japanese-made Kenmore, model number 158.521. It's a zigzag machine. It takes standard needles and standard class 15 bobbins that you can pick up anywhere that sewing machine supplies are sold. It's a powerful all-steel gear driven machine. Takes drop-in pattern cams. I only have one two-sided cam here with this machine. We'll start our demonstration with some sheeting and a straight stitch. Just been completely refurbished, gone through and cleaned out and inspected, adjusted, lubricated. The motor's been taken apart and the commutator cleaned. The brushes cleaned of oil, and the shafts cleaned with alcohol, and the bearings oiled with just a drop of oil. Tension's been disassembled and cleaned and adjusted. New needle, of course. Here is some denim. This is pretty heavy duty denim from a pair of Carhartt logger jeans. Actually, we're going to double this. It's been doubled once, so we'll double it again. That makes 4 layers, and we're going to double it again to make 8 layers of denim. We're going to sew 8 layers of denim with this machine. No trouble at all sewing 8 layers of denim. And here is some split leather. We're going to sew a couple layers of split leather. As I said before, this is a steel geared machine, all steel drive. Got plenty of power to punch through heavy materials. And of course, it's just as good for sewing quilts, little dresses, that sort of thing. There we go, that's 2 layers of split leather. So that's it. Kenmore, Japanese-made Kenmore sewing machine. And if you're coming to this video from someplace else, the place you can find this machine for sale is at stagecoachroadsewing.com. That's our website. And there you're going to find all sorts of really cool Japanese, German, American-made sewing machines. A lot of nice two-tone Just awesome looking machines. Most of them in nearly new condition, and all of them carefully refurbished. So again, that's stagecoachroadsewing.com, and we'll see you there.